I am Abeer. Welcome to my channel. This is part 1 of the 7-day masterclass for Python that I'll be teaching on this channel. What is Python? Python is the most widely used programming language. You can do almost anything with it, like machine learning. You can do data analysis, make web applications like Twitter and Instagram, and also computer applications which you can download. And it is very profitable to learn, and the future for it is only going to be brighter. There are also other languages such as JavaScript, Java, C, Swift, but nothing compares to Python, because the individual great things about each of these languages, they're there in Python, except for Swift, which is native for iOS development. So for JavaScript is awesome for making front end, and you can do that with Python. There are several frameworks which you can use, like Flask and Django. Python will be compatible with the new tech and the quantum computers which will be coming out. So Python and the quantum computer programming language, they will go together really well. How to set up Python? You can do it in any operating system. First, you need to go to python.org to download. Go there, and there will be this downloads tab that will be there. As soon as you hover over it, it should on the right side show you the latest version of Python for your machine. Click on that and the download should start. Once that's done, once you have downloaded Python, open idle. So idle is the default editor for Python. It comes built in. So launch idle, and it should show you this window. So last thing, start coding. Okay, so what are data types? Data types are the types of data which you can input into Python. So first are strings. They are enclosed anything alphanumerical within quotes and known as strings. So within quotes here, see, start, close, it's hello. You can write anything in there. Next are integers. They're basically numbers, like this example I have here, 12. Then there are floats. Floats are numbers which have a decimal point with them. So they're basically integers but with decimal points, like this, 70.78. So if we had just 70, that would be an integer, but because there is this 0.78 there, it becomes a float. And booleans, they are true or false values. If you run a command, it will just give you true, false, and if you get that kind of thing, you know it's a boolean value. So let me show you them. Here I have typed, there is our starting quotation mark. You can write anything in there. Let's just say hello world. Then you have to end the quote, and if you hit enter, it gives you this hello world. Now we have integers, so let's do 70. That's an integer, give 70. And there's this useful function in Python which is known as type. So let me just show you. type, then you do starting parentheses, then you pass in any value. So if I have these double quotes, let's say Abeer, then you end the parentheses. So it's saying what is the data type of Abeer. If you hit enter, it gives you str, which is short for string. You can do the same So we do type now is to 10. Okay, that gives int, which is short for integer. Type of 41.2 should give us a float. It does. Now there are booleans, so let's do, and remember in Python booleans are always with a capital letter. So false is with a capital F starting, and true will be with a capital T. I'll show you that. So it gives us bool, short for boolean. And if we do type of if we do type of true, T with a capital, then it should give us bool again. If we don't give booleans with capital letters, it will raise an error. See, false. False is not defined. That there is nothing here that we have assigned the value of false to. Those are variables. We'll learn about them in the next class. It's saying we don't have anything named as false in our scripts, the packages for Python and all. We don't have anything there, and also in your code we can't find anything, any variable which is false. So it gives you an error. Name error, name, false is not defined, false with a small f. That would be the same for if you did true with a small f. Okay, so just to recap, in this video we learned data types, how to set up Python, what is Python, and the use cases. So if you enjoyed this video, do give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel if you want more awesome Python content, and I'll see you in day 2 of the Python 7-day masterclass.